Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Novi Fitriyani. I'm from class 5A and now I want to explain about the material that is about syntax. So let's start it. Okay, so what is syntax? Now I want to explain about the meaning of the syntax. Okay, syntax is the branch or subfield of linguistics that studies the internal structure of sentences and phrases and the interrelationship among the internal parts. Syntax also can be defined as the study of word order. Syntax is one of the branches of linguistics that studies the rules that determine how words form phrases and phrases form sentences. Etymologically, the syntax term is putting together words into groups of words or sentences and groups of words into sentences. In syntax learning, learning starts from examples of parts of speech, such as verb, noun, subject, to the formation of compound sentence structures. Typically, syntax is characterized by three diagrams and symbols. The point is to facilitate the naming of parts of speech when examined one by one. To make a tree diagram, you need to be able to compare words, phrases, and clauses. These three things can help you analyze each part that has the potential to form a perfect sentence. Okay, before we practice how to make tree diagrams, I want to explain about the word, clause, and phrase. Okay, what is word? The word is a part of the smallest language. For example, person, dog, or place. And then what is phrases? Phrases are collections of two or more words that can form other meanings. For example, a beautiful dress, this cake, or a pink shirt. And then clauses. What is clauses? Although often encoded with phrases, even though clauses have other meanings. If a phrase is only divided into two or more words, then the clause is the closest to the formation of a perfect compound sentence. A clause can consist of several words or phrases, but not yet become a sentence. In general, the clause has a subject and a verb. For example, this pink shirt is pretty. I eat a cake, and she returns the book. And now I want to show you how to write tree diagrams. Okay, now I want to make a tree diagrams about the sentence, the chef cooks the soup. Okay, in here, that is the chef cooks the soup. We can make three diagrams. The first is the. The in here is a D, determiner. Okay, like this. And then chef. Chef in here is a noun. We can write N. And then cooks. Cooks in here is the verb. We can write V, verb, and then the is determiner. And then soap is the noun. Okay, so this is the example of three diagrams. The chef cooks the soup. The in here is the determiner, chef, noun, cooks, verb, the also determiner, and soup in here is noun. Okay, so what is the phrase? In here, the determiner plus noun self. Noun is the noun phrase. The self determinant plus noun is the noun phrase. And then in here, the also determiner, and then noun. This is the sub determiner and noun. This is noun phrase also. And then in here, verb, that is cooks. Cooks is a verb, and then the sub plus noun phrase. This is verb phrase. And then noun phrase plus verb phrase, that is a sentence. So the chef cooks the soup. This is sentence. So you need to classify NP noun phrase with VP verb phrase, which will later become sentences. The tips are to start with know the type of part of speech for each word, then group them into phrases. After meeting the final result of noun phrase and verb phrase, a perfect sentence is formed. Okay, so that's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.